Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Austin Public Health launched a COVID-19 online vaccination pre-registration system to set up a vaccine appointment.
And I'm going to have you write your name there.
Austin Public Health is currently vaccinating only people who meet the 1A and 1B phase criteria. Those people include frontline healthcare workers, residents and staff of long-term care facilities, and individuals 65 years of age or older. The pre-registration system is focused on those who do not have private insurance or regular access to health care. Individuals who have private insurance should call their primary care provider or pharmacy first about being vaccinated.
Fortunately for us, we got a notice that we were able to get into this facility and get vaccinated and put us on our way to safe health. And we're just feel blessed to be here with these great angels.
If you meet the eligibility requirements, create an account online and pre-register. Once eligibility is approved, you will be contacted to schedule an appointment. Appointments are required to receive a vaccine. For more information, visit austintexas.gov/COVID-19-vaccines or call 512-972-5560. We know the community has lots of questions. Be sure to check out Austin Public Health's recent town hall meeting to get all your Vax facts. It's all on atxn.tv. Even though the vaccine rollout has begun, there is still a great need to care for people suffering with COVID-19. The Central Texas Alternative Care Site at the Austin Convention Center is now open and helping relieve stress on area hospitals. This care site was established last summer during our first major surge and had been on standby until now. The opening of this care site is an alarming reminder of how serious our COVID-19 situation is right now. We are still in stage 5 risk, and we must continue to take simple actions today to prevent the situation from getting worse. Stay home if you can. If you must leave, wear a mask, practice proper hand hygiene, stay 6 feet apart from others, and do not gather with people outside of your household. Let's all do our part to keep one another safe. COVID-19 has had a devastating impact on the live music community, but the City of Austin's Economic Development Department is hoping $1.3 million in grant money will help keep the live music capital of the world going. City Council established the Austin Live Music Venue Preservation Fund, which provided grants to 67 local live music venues impacted by the pandemic. The city's Economic Development Department and Long Center staff worked through the holidays to ensure these funds made its way to our local live music venues. Be sure to check out the online dashboard at atxrecovers.com for a closer look at the live music venues receiving funding. Finally, who can forget the snowstorm that blanketed Austin a few weeks ago? Certainly not the crews from Austin Energy. As the snow started falling, staff started their engines and went to work. Take a look at what they were up against. This is what happens when tree limbs get too close to power lines. All that snow weighed heavily on tree limbs, forcing some of them to come dangerously close to power lines. Austin Energy crews worked day and night in the cold, wet snow to restore power. More than 1 out of 3 outages in our area are caused by vegetation and weather, and this is why tree pruning is so important. Each year, hundreds of miles of Austin Energy power lines are scheduled for tree pruning on 9,000 to 12,000 properties a year. To learn more about how you can help make sure trees on your property won't cause problems during a future storm, visit austinenergy.com/go/trees. That's it for this week's City View. Thanks for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our dedicated webpage, austintexas.gov/COVID-19. Stay well, Austin.